Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share a story in the Behance app. But firstly I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 followers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app. Then here is your main page, your browsing page, and on the top left corner you can see this camera icon, and you can add here your story. You tap on it and you can make a photo with your camera right now, or you can go to your gallery. On the bottom left corner you tap on the gallery icon. You can choose a photo that you would like to share, and on the top right corner you can add a description or a tag, and you have to tap on done on the top right corner. By tapping on the text you can select your the color of the text, and swiping to the right side on this color thing, you can select the font of the text. And like this. And on the bottom right corner you have to tap on post. And here the first one is your story. If you tap on it you can see it, and on the bottom left corner you can see the views. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.